The tourism industry needs to spread across Jamaica, not just in 3 or 4 cities such as Mobe, Ocho and Negril, etc. However, a few small family-owned hotels and guest houses cannot attract enough visitors to a rural town or village on the south coast of Jamaica to make the area a thriving tourism community. The above towns and villages would need a few large all-inclusive hotels to put their communities on the tourism map in a significant way. Greetings, and welcome to part 4 of my theme, the PE US 25 billion eco-tourism program, attracting an extra 10 million visitors to Jamaica each year, employing 300,000 Jamaicans, earning an extra US 10 billion each year for the country's GDP. Today's topic is Jamaica about to top 5 million visitors staying in Airbnb and locally owned hotels? The tourism industry needs to spread across Jamaica, not just in 3 or 4 towns or cities, such as Mobe, Ocho and Negril, etc. However, a few small family-owned hotels and guest houses cannot attract enough visitors to a rural town or village on the south coast of Jamaica, etc., to make the area a thriving tourism community. The above towns and villages would need a few large all-inclusive hotels to put their communities on the tourism map in a significant way. A parish like St. Elizabeth, for example, could have 10 mega all-inclusive hotels consisting of 1,000 rooms each on average that would put the parish on the tourism map in a significant way. Those 10 hotels would accommodate 400,000 to 500,000 visitors in total. St. Elizabeth would then be buzzing as a tourism destination due to the large all-inclusive hotels in the parish. Locals would then start building small family-owned hotels and guest houses, and there would be a massive increase in locally owned Airbnb as well. St. Elizabeth could then see as much as another 500,000 visitors in the parish each year staying in those locally owned visitors' accommodations. The main objective would be to create tens of thousands of jobs in St. Elizabeth for its citizens. At least that should be one of the main objectives. The number 2 objective would then be to build out the road networks in the parish of St. Elizabeth to accommodate the extra traffic in the parish, both from visitors and locals alike. It would be quite feasible to have another 9 parishes replicating the same thing that is planned for St. Elizabeth. This would be 10 parishes having an extra 500,000 Airbnb visitors each year, totaling 5 million visitors staying in locally owned Airbnb and guest houses all across Jamaica. All made possible because the government has strategized how to use the large all-inclusive hotels to develop various tourism hotspots all across Jamaica. Some people who can't see this vision will have doubts. They will say that things like rural parishes do not have good roads to drive on, etc. Some doubters will say there are no good health centers or hospitals to take care of the visitors if they fall ill or if they have an accident, etc. I would say that the government have already announced the Southern Coastal Highway project passing through St. Elizabeth. As for hospitals and health centers, Black River probably have the largest medical school in Jamaica. I know some of the students who goes to the Ames as the All-American Medical School. Some of them lodge at my family's house in St. Elizabeth, so I know them. Medical students in the latter years of their studies are sent from Black River to the Cornwall Regional Hospital in Montego Bay, or even as far as the KPH in Kingston. Of course, majority of the medical students do help out at the Black River Hospital as well. Hence, Elizabeth has all the facilities needed for massive tourism expansion. Not to mention being the breadbasket parish and having the abundant water supply from the Black River itself. St. Elizabeth has plenty of water, electricity, food, and a lovely countryside just waiting to be exploited. In any case, it takes many years to plan and build those large hotels after the franchises are given out. Hence, even if some other parishes do not have the same infrastructure as Elizabeth, there would have been plenty of time for the government to plan and build the infrastructures needed. Just building the hotels would cause an economic boom in Jamaica, as a parish like St. Elizabeth could see as much as US $3 billion being used to build 10 to 12 hotels over a 5 to 10 years period. Hence, the government would be raising money from the building out phase of the hotels, which the government could use to sort out the roads while the hotels are being built, etc. The southwest of Jamaica is crying out for investment, and St. Elizabeth is in the middle of the southwestern quarter of Jamaica. St. Elizabeth is crying out for investments as a reward for being the breadbasket parish of Jamaica. Let's develop St. Elizabeth. Let's develop Jamaica. This is part 4 of my current theme. Look out for part 5. Thanks for watching this video. To support this channel, please click on the subscribe button, share this video, and leave your comments below. God bless you. God bless Jamaican Parliament, and God bless Jamaica. Until my next video, peace.